Alright guys, what's up? So today we are going to be going over how to create an RVI, or a routed VLAN interface, which is the same as an SVI in Cisco, and also how to assign an IP address directly to a port, which is like saying no switch port in Cisco and then assign an IP address. To start off with, we want to create an RVI, and we want to give it an IP address of 10.0.1.1, and we want the RVI to be associated with VLAN 10. So to do this, we need to first create the layer 2 VLAN, which is just like we did before. And we say set VLANs, VLAN 10, VLAN ID is 10. Alright, now that we created the VLAN, we need to create the layer 3 interface. So we say set interfaces, VLAN, give it a unit number, which would be a good idea to keep it the same as the layer 2 VLAN number, so that way it's easier to keep track of, but you don't have to. And then we'll say family INET, which is IPv4, and then address, say 10.0.1.1. Alright, so we created the layer 2 the VLAN, and we created the layer 3 interface. Now we need to tie these two together. So we say set VLANs, VLAN 10, layer 3 interface, and then we say VLAN.10, pretty sure. Yep. And that should be it. Alright, if we do show compare. Alright, so we created our layer 2 VLAN, our layer 3 address, and then we tied those two together. Now we need to assign the VLAN to a port, so that way it will be up. So if we go to interface 0 and put VLAN 10 on the interface, and then we do commit. We have the VLAN made. We go to show interfaces terse. We should see that 000 is up, and VLAN.10 has an IP address. So if we do ping 10.0.1.1, and it's good. Alright, so now that we did that, let's say on port 1 we want to assign an IP address. So we go to configure, we'll say interfaces, well, first off, go to edit interfaces, we show. First off, you can see that GE001 Unit 0 is in the family of Ethernet switching, and we don't want that. We want family INET, which is IPv4. So first off, we need to delete that, and then we'll say Unit 0 family INET, and give an address just like before. We'll say 11.11.11.1. Yeah, then we go top, do show compare. You can see that we deleted Ethernet switching family and added the INET family with address. So we do commit. Go back, and then we try to ping that address, and it's good. Alright, so that's two ways that you can set IP addresses in the Juniper switch. First off, we created an RVI, which is the same as SVI in Cisco, and that can be used for inter VLAN routing, can be used as a gateway for end devices. And then we set an IP address directly on the port. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.